Hey everybody, my name is Storm Kaefer, and this semester I've been working with ReviewBoard, and I've been helping them fix some issues and work on some projects. So right here is my current dashboard in ReviewBoard. So these are the review requests that I have put out. So during the first sprint, the first issue that I worked on was an EasyFix. It was this fix Bitbucket repo name description error. As you see, it's already been shipped. It's pushed to this release number. It was a pretty basic fix. That's why it was an easy fix. If we look at the diff, I literally just changed this one string. It was an incorrect string. It didn't make any sense in the context. So I simply just changed it to actually make sense. Yep, so that was pretty simple. Then the next thing I was working on was I actually found a bug or an issue during the code sprint. And I noticed that new widgets in the admin dashboard, they actually crash the page in a certain scenario. So yeah, I got some help with the mentors. We figured out how to actually fix it. And over that weekend, I basically pushed out fixes and got it all working. So yeah, if we see in here what I did, I made a test. I made a test to actually ensure that new widgets don't crash the page when they're added. And yeah, so there it is. And I also cleaned up the code. So the actual code for displaying the new widget, basically it's given a position, and it makes more sense now. Like if you read the code and you can actually understand what is happening, and you can see that the new widgets are actually given a position before they're called. And that's good, because if it didn't happen that way, the page would crash. The project I've been working on for the last month is this new Smarter Repository Widget project. This widget right here is the Smart User widget. We can click on it and we can type in and find different people using it. This widget right here is the Smart Repository widget. This is the widget I've been working on, and it is based off of this widget. So if I click on it, as you can see, I can choose different repositories, and it's easy to use. This is because it's actually based upon the related object widget right here. So this, I moved this into giblets, and this related object widget, that is used in the related repository widget in ReviewBoard, as well as the related user widget in ReviewBoard. So these both extend related object widget. They both have their own template HTML as well as JavaScript. This JavaScript right here, the related user selector view, this was already pre-made. I simply made the related repo selector view, and I expanded upon it and changed the queries just so it actually works for repositories. Next, I want to change out the default group. So instead of the widget looking like this, I want it to look similar to the repository and the user widget. That should be done relatively quickly, as the code is similar to the repository widget code. Yeah, that's all I've been doing in the last month. I look forward to the next little sprint here. Yeah, thanks for watching.